In a rapid-fire tour of history's odd patents, electric corsets promised better posture with an unexpected jolt. Next comes the anti-snore helmet, a bold device meant to quiet midnight roars by stabilizing breathing for night travelers. The life-saving electrified vest aimed to shock-activate buoyancy protections for divers and workers, a futuristic precaution in perilous environments. A pneumatically powered hat supposedly regulated temperature and airflow, a flamboyant example of inventors chasing comfort through air in crowded cities. Even the paper bra and other forgotten deviations remind viewers that curiosity fueled innovation long before modern practicality for curious listeners everywhere.